Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about trypophobia. Trypophobia is an aversion to the sight of irregular patterns or clusters of small holes or bumps. It's not officially recognized as a mental disorder, but may be diagnosed as a specific phobia if excessive fear and distress occur. People may express only disgust to trypophobic imagery. Let's see how long you can last while we'll show off some cool trypophobia images. The scientific understanding of trypophobia is limited. Although a few studies have been done on trypophobia, researchers hypothesize that it is the result of a biological revulsion that associates trypophobic shapes with danger or disease, and may therefore have an evolutionary basis. Exposure therapy is a possible treatment, so feel free to watch this video twice if you think it'll help. The term trypophobia was coined by a participant in an online forum in 2005. It has since become a popular topic on social media. Let's look at a few of my favorite images and trypophobia-inducing animals. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More, and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy.
Anything I've tried before that was all natural, it was all a joke. Rest More, it really worked. I sleep 8 hours now. I wake up every morning. I'm refreshed. I'm ready to go. I have great days. Rest More is the greatest thing in the world.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh, rested in the mornings. I highly recommend this for anyone who has trouble sleeping, especially if you're a senior citizen like I am.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.